Welcome to the unboxing of Kaabo Mantis 10. Let's open the box. Remove the small tools and parts first. Let's lift out the scooter from the box. Be sure to pick up the charger box first, then lift the scooter out close to the fold while supporting the bottom part. Unwrap the scooter. The separate parts are nut protectors, charger, Allen wrench, Kaabo sticker. To install the handlebar first, remove the mounting plate. Alright, the handlebar. Now reinstall the plate. Double check that the handlebar is solid. Attach the nut protectors. Represent and attach the sticker to the stem. Connect the electronics. Test that the controls work as expected. Turn on the scooter by pressing the power button. Enjoy the ride!